Hey traders, what are 2 tips I'd give every discretionary trader? I'm champion trader Kevin Davey, and let's find out. I'm an algo trader, so I trade by 100% rules. I let the computer trade. Automated trading, that's the way I do it. But I used to do discretionary trading. And I'll tell you what, I was pretty bad at it. Anytime I discretionary traded, I usually lost money. And maybe you're in the same boat, maybe you're not. But I'm going to give you 2 tips if you're a discretionary trader on how you can improve. So tip number 1 is to have rules. So even if you don't backtest, even if you don't automate, you should at least still have rules. So you have rules for entry, you have rules for exit, you have rules for money management, position sizing, you have rules for everything, and they're written down. Don't just have rules that are in your head and you say, oh, I'm going to have a stop loss of this, but I'm not actually going to enter it. It's just going to be in my head. It'll be a mental stop, because that kind of stuff doesn't work. You have to have your rules written down. Now, obviously, it's a lot better if you test those rules. So let's say you want to do price action trading. Whatever you're trading, you've tested. So don't just go and read a book and say, oh, well, hey, this guy says buy higher highs, so therefore I'm going to do that. Make sure you test it. That's a great way to improve your discretionary trading. Use rules, have rules, and make sure they're good rules. Don't have some nonsense rules that you've just heard off the street. That's what a lot of people do. That's rule number 1. The second rule, if you're a discretionary trader, is to practice. Practice, practice, practice. So, run replay. Run through charts. See if you'd make the same trades over and over again. And if you don't, it's probably something with your rules where there's too much uncertainty in what you're doing. If some days you take a trade and other days you don't, and the charts look the same, there's an issue there. And you're probably never going to be a consistent discretionary trader if you don't take consistent trades. Simple as that. So practice, practice, practice. That's the second tip. And if you do that, you'll become a much better discretionary trader. So I hope you liked this short video. If you did, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment. Have these tips worked for you? Let me know. What other tips might you give to somebody who's discretionary trading? I'd like to hear them. And so would everyone else who's watching this video. I'm champion trader Kevin Davey, and thanks for watching.